messy hair I wear with pride. Wrinkles on my shirt, no polished scene, but I'm cooler than a movie screen. You don't need to be clean to be smooth. Rock that edge, baby, groove the truth. Life ain't a mirror, don't need no gloss. Be the diamond in a field of moss. Scuffed up jeans still catching eyes. No shiny watch, but I hypnotize. The way I walk is my own sound, like thunder rolling underground. You don't need to be clean to be smooth. Turn your flaws into living proof. Life gets better when you break the rules, 'cause rough and real will always rule. Imperfect's perfect, let it show. The cracks are where the best light glows. Forget the polish, live your art. Messy hands can still touch hearts. You don't need to be clean to be smooth. Embrace the chaos, let it soothe. Life's a canvas, paint raw. Swept up edges leave me in awe. Embrace the chaos, let it soothe.